Today we're at Home Depot in Mesa, Arizona, looking to see what kind of indoor plants they have. So let's take a look. So here's the indoor plants, and let's see what they have. Maybe there's something that might catch my eye and also catch your eye too. So let's take a look at what they have. And this one right here is a Philodendron Prince of Orange. Beautiful plant. If you like going to different nurseries like this, looking at all the different plants, go ahead and subscribe. It really does help out my small channel. And also leave a comment. I look forward to hearing from you. Something I'm noticing here, these plants look a little beat up. They're not doing too well. I'm not sure what's going on. But as you continue to look here, a lot of them are wilted. So either they weren't being watered or they were getting watered too much. Not sure. But definitely not interested in any of these today. I liked how they had this setup going here. It was only $69.99, so not a bad deal. Something I noticed here in the valley in Arizona is Home Depot likes to put their plants in different spots in the store, so sometimes you can miss what they have. I'm not sure if it's just here in Arizona or if they do this in other states. If they do, leave a comment and let me know. Again, another spot where they had some plants. For some reason, just the most common ones you see at every single Home Depot. But the ones outside here in the store look much better than the atrium ones. Again, here are some more plants I could have missed, but looking for something a little unusual. A lot of this stuff that you see is really pretty common. I'm looking for just a little unusual plant. I just bought one of these a couple of weeks ago, and it's already gotten larger, and it's doing really well on my patio. Common plants that we see all the time. Just look at something a little different for myself today. This is nice. The leaves are huge. Another alocasia here. Ooh, this is nice. This is a Alocasia Silver Dragon. Nice. Little damaged here on the leaves. Definitely a nice plant. I'm going to take this one home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.